Welcome back to the channel. Here is another 3-minute guide to Microsoft Excel. My name is Elsie and I will be your guide today. In today's topic we will be exploring the SUMIF function. What does the SUMIF function do? You can use the SUMIF function to sum values in a range that meets criteria that you specify. For example, we can sum the sales of the hardware category by setting hardware as the criteria. Let's now break the SUMIF function down into its parts and see how it works. The SUMIF function is broken down into the range, criteria, and sum range. Let's start with the range. The range is the range of cells we want to evaluate the criteria against. In our example, the range is the category of products between C3 and C11. Here we can see the category hardware mentioned twice. Next is the criteria. This is what we are trying to match in the range. In the example, we have chosen hardware as our criteria. In the SUMIF formula, the criteria can be a cell reference or manually entered in inverted commas. The last part is the sum range. This is the range or cells which we are going to sum when the criteria is matched by rows. In our example, the is between E3 and E11. Note both the range and the sum range must be the same amount of rows, just in different columns, for the SUMIF function to work. In our example, the SUMIF function, with the criteria hardware, adds the two sales entries of hardware category in the table for a result of 125. By placing the criteria in a separate cell reference, we can easily change the criteria to another product category and the SUMIF function will automatically update. Well done, you have now created a SUMIF function. Here is today's quick tip. Creating an absolute reference in your formula. This way, if you move your formula, it will still reference the same cells. In the example on the screen, we have highlighted in yellow the absolute references we have used in the VLOOKUP function. You can create an absolute reference by putting a dollar symbol before the column letter and a dollar symbol before the row number. We will cover referencing in more detail in our upcoming video. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and click the bell for more useful videos. Thanks for watching. As usual, take care and see you in the next video.